Hello everybody and welcome to this Blender tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a cloth simulation. So yeah, let's get right into it. First thing what you wanna do is add a plane, move it up, scale it, make sure it's above the cube, click tab, subdivide it a couple of times, that should be good. Select the cube, go to this solar system looking icon, click on collision. For now don't mess with any of these settings, unless you know what you're doing, then sure. Click on the plane, click on cloth, and scroll down until you see cache. Here, type how many frames you want. I will type 100, it should be enough. Then click bake. After a while it should be done, and if you did all of those steps correctly, you should have a beautiful simulation. Thank you for watching, I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you later, bye bye!